So hello friends, I am Neeraj. Hope you are doing great. So in this session we are going to see something new and something very useful. So you might have seen at many places, at many mobile applications that you click on something, click on a button or click on a link, and it opens a Chrome browser. So how this thing is happened behind the scene. So this is what we are trying to learn, and we will implement that thing within our application. So ideally what we will do is, so this is our home screen, and by the way, like our about screen and other screens are also working. So for the sake of clarity and understanding, so the way I am thinking is that we will have a button here, and that button when clicked, so it will open an external URL. Okay, so let's see that. And so by the way, this was our this is our card, and after this card, so let us have a view, and let me also resize it so that we can see the changes side by side. Perfect. Okay, fine. So yeah, here we were here. So we will have a view, and inside this view we will have a button. So this button we will give it a title, and we will say it open me, and let us save it. So yes, our button started appearing. Let us also give it some margin so that it could look better. So style, and we'll go with the inline styling. So we will go with give some margin of let's say 8. I think it should be, yes. So now it looks good. So what we want to do is, so although this is a button, this is clickable, but there is nothing happening. So ideally what we want to do is, when this button is clicked, so we want to open a browser and external URL. So in order to do that, actually this is literally very simple. All we have to do is, like button images and view their components. So we have to use another component that is called linking, and linking component will fulfill what we are going to do. So this component is provided by React people itself, and all we have to do is we will use the onPress event. So every button or every even a text also, we have actually we designed all this these are the texts, and we can implement the onPress event on almost upon many places we can implement the onPress event. So with this button also we will go with the onPress event, and within this onPress event we will go with arrow function, and all we have to do is, so we have to use the linking component, and this linking component is having some functions predefined, and one of them is open URL. So all we have to do is call the open URL and just pass on the whatever the external URL which we want to open. So we will open this URL, https and growyourskill.in. Let's save it, and now no error, there is no error, and our screen has been refreshed. So so when we click on it, so we should see this website, this website growyourskill.in in the browser. So let us see that. When we click on it, so it opened the browser and it loaded our website perfectly, and this is literally working fine. So we can click the back button, and we can use this website, so just like we are using inside our Chrome browser, and we can do all the stuff. So like each and every steps, so everything is working fine. So we can scroll it. So this is how like we can use it. We can open any external website or any external link from within our mobile application. So this is it, and I hope you enjoyed this short session. And this concept is embedding your web's external link into the web view. This is literally this can be very useful, and this can be very handy, because we can go that way. There could be a situation, for example, say you want to keep all of your complex activities, complex functionalities like admin areas, admin backend, right, onto your website, and you just design application for your public view. So that way, from within this application, so user could have the facility, functionality to access the web portal as well. So however, there are other uses as well of this concept. So gradually, so we will learn that step by step. So this is it, and if there is any doubt, so please don't hesitate to write me out, and I will try to answer them as soon as possible. So till then, take care and happy coding.